Part 2 of University of Hyderabad. You can see that this is the JK hostel mess, and this is the ground. You can see that the volleyball ground, the basketball ground. This is 24/7 accessible. This is our security guard, and this is K hostel for the research scholar. The very beautiful hostel, the aura of the campus. You can see that this is 24/7 accessible for both boys and girls. You can play, you can have all the health facilities, and this is K hostel. The board can be visible, and now we are moving towards LH9 and 10, which is newly constructed hostel. LH9 ladies hostel 9 and 10. During the COVID time, LH10 used to be the quarantine center for the new students who used to come from the home. So you can see the greenery, campus, green lashes and all. And this is LH9 and 10. Yeah, this is LH, that side LH10, and this is LH9. And this is the boundary wall of campus, last of the south campus. From here you will take U-turn and will go to the life science building. And after LH9 and 10, this is I hostel, and front of this there would be K hostel. So this is the I hostel, you can see that, and here is the bus stand and all. You can see that people are visiting. This is L hostel. If you go further, this is the, I think, starting of south campus. And this is LH7 and 8. This is Tagore International Hospital. This is given for the international students. You can see that new building is also being constructed inside the premise. And this is LH7, that was LH8. This is the ATM. The same ATM you will find in North Campus also. This is South Campus. ATM is 24/7 available. Go. And this is Shopcom, that is shopping complex. Everything is available here. Grocery, barber shop, washing for your clothes and all, food stuffs, canteen, book, pen, etc., stationery shops. And this is the Akraham building, which is associated with the DRDO and physics department, DRDO of our country. You see the greenery lash, the beauty, the fantastic one can enjoy across the year. This is nanotechnology building, and this is the integrated, which is visible. This is given for the integrated students. That means who take admission after the class 12, joins the graduated, integrated masters, integrated MTech, like that, integrated department. And here comes the life science. It holds rank 1 in India. One of the most beautiful building in the entire campus, life science building. So guys, in next part will come with the part 3. So this is the life science building. Where life science building, you can see the beauty of this campus. The car are parked here of the professor. This is the life science. You can see that students are going to their lab. Life science building. Keep going. Park. These are being parked here. Car and bike. Students are going. You can see that we are going through the life science. So finally, we will be closing here, and stay tuned for the part 3. This was the whole tour of South Campus. In next part, I will be covering the guest faculty's quarter, the professor's quarter, and some other departments of like AI department, artificial intelligence, the chemistry department, and earth science. So many buildings are left, North Hostel, and all the facilities. So thank you guys, stay tuned. And for other facilities, like library, sports complex, and the hostel facilities, you can check out my videos are available on the YouTube. You can see that how garbage and the waste management team is putting all the efforts to make our campus greenery and make it beautiful. This is Akraham. I see you from here. We have started part 1 lecture. So you can add up. This is the part 2. Part 1 I have already uploaded. Green Day campus. This is the library time. We are going library actually. You see the beauty, the nature. Oh my god, the serenity of the campus. This is awesome, unparalleled, just I would like to tell you. The cloud, and here on the, this is the South Campus quarter. New building is being constructed, you can see that, for the staffs and the faculty members. These are South Block quarters. Quarters for A43 to 52, where professors and non-teaching staff stays. And we are almost reached the White Rock, where we have started our first video for the campus tour of SCU. Just stay tuned guys, you will get more updates from the campus. We'll explore the rock and hilly area of the campus. So stay tuned and keep watching the SCU. Do join, be the part of SCU family and make your future bright. That's all. And this is new amenities center which was inaugurated by our president, Vice President Sir Venkaiah Naidu sir. It is very fantastic. One of the most loved place in this campus. So guys, thank you for the part 3. Stay tuned. In coming days, within 2-3 days, I will upload the part 3. Okay, bye. Bye friends.